Okay, welcome to this session, and in this session we have to write the code for string to digit, where we are passing a string like this and it should return its corresponding digit or int type. So what do you think how we can solve this problem, and it should return a number like this? So let me play with few values to make the logic. So you know that ordinal 3 has a value 51 and ordinal 0 has a value 48. So can you play with these two numbers so that it should return 3 in the end? So ordinal 3 is 51, ordinal 0 is 48. Can you play with these two values so that it should return 3 in this case? Yeah, you can play with this. So if you write minus this and run this code, you will get 3. Okay, you extend this to apply in any possible numbers. Let's try this for 9. Wow, we are getting 9. Try this for 7. Yes, we have 7. So you have logic. So you can simply convert this into function. So you can pause the video at this point and quickly write a function for this. Otherwise, you can watch the solution. So define string to digit. So we need to pass string to this, and I have this code ordinal. Here I have to use ordinal string minus ordinal 0, and it should return this value. So I'll write return. Let's call this with the string value like this. Let's run this. Yes, we have 7. Let's run this. We have 9. Okay, perfectly fine. We able to write string to digit function very quickly. Good. But this code has a one issue. So let me pass a to this, and you will see that it is returning 17. So this is only working if you provide the value between 1 to 9. Otherwise it will do something very strange. So yes, in these cases this is working fine, but if you have something like this, it will provide you very strange output. So can we improve this code to handle this situation? It means if the value of string is between 0 to 9, then only this code will execute. Otherwise it simply return false. So again I repeat, if the value of string between 0 to 9, then only this return should execute. Otherwise it simply return false. So take your time, try to solve this problem on your own. You can pause the video at this point. Yes, I hope you are ready with your solution. So in this we need to write one if statement. So as I mentioned, this return should only work if string is greater than or equal to 0 and string is less than or equal to 9. So if this is the case, then this statement should execute and it will return its value. Otherwise this return should execute and it can return none. Okay, so let's run this. So here we are not getting anything. It means this is returning none. And if this is 3, yes, you are getting 3. You can write print over here to cross check it in better way. So here the output is 3, and here the output is none. Yeah, so I hope you got this idea. You can even return false in this case. So the same logic will work in case of false. So at this point I have a last final task for you, and then we will be winding up this concept. So the last task is letter to position. So in this case I wish to convert a letter to an integer representing its position in the alphabet. For example, I wish to convert A upper or A lower to 1, B upper or B lower to 2, and so on. So take your time. So you need to pass letter and it should return its corresponding position. So if you pass B, maybe in upper or lower case, it should return 2. If you pass A in upper or lower case, it should return 1. So this is the task. Try to build the logic on this. If you need some hint, it has some hint here. But I request you to first try to solve this on your own without reading the hint. And if you struggle with the logic, then you can read the hint. But first try to solve this problem just without reading the hint. See you in next session with its solution. Thanks for watching this video. God bless you. Bye bye.